Jack's got an Easter
And he's
surprise.
all dressed up correctly with Christmas pajamas. Yeah?
So he opened up his eggs and he had some popcorn in there. He got some cars.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
What was this one you got in here? Was this one in here? Nope, it was in the golden egg. Right, Jax?
Golden egg.
This was in the golden egg. Where's the cover for the golden egg?
Is this the...
No, there was the small golden egg. Yeah? He goes, is that your favorite? Is that your favorite? The golden egg one? This one. Here, put it in here. Put that one in the golden egg. Oh yeah. Look at that, Jax. What's in here, Jax? What's in here? I don't know where the cover is. Oh, here it is. Here. Look. We'll put this one in this golden egg. Okay. I put the cars in the golden egg, yeah? It's your favorite. Hold on. Close it. Close it. Oh. Shake it. What's in there, Jax? What's in there? Oh my!
Oh.
It's a little truck.
What's that?
It's a little bulldozer. Oh my gosh! Here, put a popcorn on there. Wait, it fell off. No?
I'm gonna put it in an egg.
Yeah, put it in another egg. Okay. He likes opening it. Let's put it back. Let's get another surprise.
Okay, ready? Tell
He
me
actually
this.
enunciated each
What
syllable
is that,
of the
Jax?
bulldozer.
Okay,
Oh,
open.
what could be in that golden egg, Jax?
What is in there?
What could be in there? What could be in there? What could be in there?
What's in there, Jax?
What's in there? What's that?
It's a tiny bulldozer.
Oh.
That's exactly what I said.
Oh.
It's like a
Here,
bulldozer.
put it right here.
So
Let me see it.
cool.
It's so cool.
It was in the golden egg.
It
Oh.
even lifts, huh?
Let's put it back in.
That is the smallest
Where's the
bulldozer
cover?
I've ever seen.
Oh, where's the cover? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay.
That's for a really small job.
Just to take the popcorn to the ants. Right? Transport the popcorn to the ants. What could be in there? What could be in there? What could?
This is the first time he's actually found something in the egg.
Whoa! What's in there? Oh wow, Jax.
It's a tiny bulldozer.
Yeah.
Tiny bulldozer.
Oh wow.
Oh. And it can fit in the tiny coconut tree.
Oh yeah. Oh, I hear something.
Monster truck.